Hello friends, in this video I am going to tell you how you can create a master data sheet in Excel which will help you to manage your marketing person and customers with the categories. So let's get started. First of all, what you have to do, create a new Excel document sheet and then I am saying that customer data, and then right click and open this sheet. After that you have to write serial number like that, and after company name you can also use firm and customers party name etc which you want. Then you have to say write your marketing person's name, and after that category and state and remark city, and city district also you can write here, and then remark. Okay, if you have something more to write then you can use remark section. After that I am doing center lines text and adjusting the columns with like that, and after you can simply drag the serial numbers like that. So I am dragging to 20 like that, and after that I am doing all border in this particular section, and then heading should be bold and with the background should be little blue, and like that. Now what I have to do, I have to adjust row height, so I am saying that 20, and then customer name should be 1, and this is a example, so you can write anything which is real in your in your area. So marketing person, I'm saying marketing person 1 2 etc, that's a dummy, only for example. And now I'm dragging it to 3, and then copy paste to the end of the row, and then category should be a wholesaler or retailer etc which you want to put. So here is a wholesaler and then retailer, and then after randomly you can use that, and I am doing that by doing copy paste, control C and control V. Then I have to write state which is it. Okay, so but this is the dummy, you can write real estates mean customer customer state. Okay, like that, and after that I will do simply copy paste and etc. That's only for the example, so I have wrote here UK, and then just copy and paste it. Now district should be Delhi and Ghaziabad, Madhya Pradesh, Noida, it should be Indore. Okay, but now it's only for example, so that's why I am writing randomly districts and city. So you have to write everything. Okay, and after that you will this sheet will be completed, and this sheet will help you to manage This sheet also will help you to manage customer targets, okay, and marketing person's target, like that things. So this is the main thing which should be like that, and this is only a dummy. If something is wrong, then please excuse, okay. So remark should be anything which you want, and now it's nothing, so I am leaving that as it is. And then go to the file and print. In the print section, page setup fit to, and then page setup adjust and landscape, like that. After that you have to set the columns margin and page wide by 3, like that. And now I am saving it like that on the desktop, customer data, and now it has printed. So let's open the file. Now you can see the file, and if anything is changed, then you can change by, you can insert one row or press Ctrl plus, okay. And then insert sheet rows, okay. Here also a option of that. You can enter multiple if you want by pressing Ctrl plus or insert from there. And now I am saying again print, and now you can see all rows has adjusted on the page. And then what I have to do, I have to just save it and nothing. And you can also free span from view and free spans. And here is the option of insert, and you can also write something if you want to write here, like the pin code, and it should be anything. So here should be all border, and that sheet will be fixed. Hope you like the video. If you like the video, press the thumbs up and leave a comment, and don't forget to share this video with your friends.